Benny the Bear and the Christmas Wish. Benny was a small brown bear who lived in the Pinnacone Forest. Winters were going to begin in the forest, so the mama bear told Benny that every winter all the bears would go into their caves to sleep and woke up in the spring. It is called hibernation. And that makes Benny sad because he had a big wish. He told his mother about his wish. I want to see Christmas. And I want to see snow, the lights, and the gifts like the other animals do. Mama Bear smiled and said, Christmas is fun, but sleep is also important. When the winters arrive, all the bears went into their caves to sleep. Mama Bear also took Benny to a cave and Benny tried to sleep, but he kept thinking about snowmen and cookies. He sees the mama bear and the other bears sleeping, so he tiptoed out of the cave. When Benny reached outside, he saw the snowflakes were falling gently. The forest looked like a white dream. Benny saw rabbits wearing scarves, squirrels decorating trees, and owls singing carols. Wow! Benny said Christmas is beautiful. Then he followed the lights to the middle of the forest. There stood a big Christmas tree. All the animals were dancing around it, and there was hot berry juice and honey cakes. A fox gave Benny a small red hat and said, Welcome to your first Christmas. Benny danced, laughed, and even helped a raccoon hang shiny stars on the tree. He enjoyed a lot. But soon, he felt sleepy, very, very sleepy. Then one old owl flew down and said, You saw Christmas, little bear. Now it's time to rest. Benny nodded and he tiptoed back into his cave and curled beside Mama Bear. Christmas is magical, he whispered with a smile, and he finally fell asleep.